Shabbat Shalom, dear friends. I want to share with you this week a question that so many people ask me so often. How can Judaism be done joyfully? You know, make it fun, make it enjoyable, make it full of life, energy, and spirit. For so many people, Judaism is a burden. Judaism is a yoke. How can Judaism be a happy, joyful experience? Well, this week's Torah portion is called Bahar, which means on the mountain. Now, we all know, what was Moses doing on the mountain? He received the beautiful set of tablets from God. The answer to joyful Judaism can be found in those tablets. You see, what was unique about the tablets that God gave us is that the letters and the words of the Ten Commandments were actually inscribed inside the stone. Now, that's very different than what happens when we write something down. Because you see, when we write something down, the letter that we write is separate and apart from the actual parchment or piece of paper. The ink and the paper remain two separate, distinct items. However, when it comes to engravement on stone, when you engrave something on stone, the letters and the stone actually become one. And that is the answer to our million-dollar question. How can Judaism be experienced joyfully? Well, it's a very simple question. Your Judaism, is it written on your heart or is it engraved in your soul? Is your Judaism an additional part to who you are? So there's you, there's your life, and then you make room to fit Judaism into your life? Or is Judaism and your Jewish identity engraved into your very essence, engraved into your being? If you want Judaism to be joyful, if you want it to be the part of the fabric of your life, if you want to embrace your Judaism as the fiber of your being, and you need to engrave it into your soul, just like the letters were engraved in the tablets. As long as they're just written, it can be erased and it can fade away. So Shabbat Shalom, my friends, and join me as we embark on a journey of engraving. Find one mitzvah, one Jewish experience in your life that you can actually transition from being inscribed into being engraved. Make it part of your soul, make it part of you. Shabbat Shalom, and see you again soon.